Hello बच्चों, so let's read the question. The question says, what is the role of calcium ions in muscle contraction? पहला ऑप्शन दिया है, it binds to tropomyosin, enabling troponin to move and reveal the binding sites for cross bridges. Second, it binds to troponin, enabling tropomyosin to move and reveal the binding sites for cross bridges. Third, it binds to tropomyosin, enabling troponin to release ATP. And fourth is it binds to troponin, enabling tropomyosin to release ATP. So the key concept of this question is muscle contraction. A muscle contraction begins when an action potential in the form of chemical acetylcholine reaches the neuromuscular junction. It reaches the neuromuscular junction from the axon. न्यूरोमस्कुलर जंक्शन को मोटर एंड प्लेट भी बोलते हैं. सो जो मोटर एंड प्लेट होता है वहां पे सबसे पहले एसिटाइलकोलिन रिलीज होता है फ्रॉम द वेसिकल्स ऑफ द axon. From the neuromuscular junction or the synaptic cleft, it reaches the sarcolemma. Sarcolemma is basically the outer covering of a muscle. When potential पहुंचता है, this results in the release of calcium ions which were stored in the sarcolemma. Which were stored in the sarcoplasmic reticulum. So they are released from the sarcoplasmic reticulum to the sarcoplasm. These calcium ions, which are released into the sarcoplasm of the muscle fiber, they bind to the troponin molecules, which are a component of the actin filament. They bind to the troponin molecules. Therefore, they help in the removing of the tropomyosin from the active sites of the actin filament. So now the active sites get exposed. Active sites of the actin filament get exposed. जो मायोसिन हेड होता है, it attaches itself to the active site and forms a cross bridge. It leads to the formation of a cross bridge by hydrolyzing ATP, which are attached to the ATP binding sites of myosin head. As a result of this, actin filaments are pulled inwards towards the H zone or towards the M line. And this leads finally to the muscle contraction. So coming back to the question में पूछा है कि रोल ऑफ कैल्शियम आयंस इन मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन क्या है. तो सबसे पहला ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है, इट बाइंड्स टू दी ट्रोपोमायोसिन. इट इज रॉन्ग, इट डजंट बाइंड टू द ट्रोपोमायोसिन enabling the troponin to move. No. Second option is it binds to troponin, which is right, enabling the tropomyosin to move and reveal the binding sites of the active sites for the formation of cross bridges. This is absolutely right. Third, it binds to tropomyosin. It does not bind to tropomyosin, so this is wrong. Fourth, it binds to troponin, enabling tropomyosin to release ATP. Tropomyosin does not release ATP. So the final answer for this question is option B. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.